Hi guys, today I'll be going through our Aqua Oxy Hydro machine and all the apparatuses attached to it. So this is a 6-step routine, and our first step is our vortex fusion extraction. You want to grab this attachment here, and depending on the person's skin type and their skin concerns determines the type of nozzle that you'll attach to this. So we have a blue one, a white one, a purple one, and an orange one. And depending, like I said, what their skin type is, concerns, and what serums you want to do, you will attach that nozzle to this device. So you simply just attach it onto here. And at the bottom of the attachment, you will see that there are little circles. You can twist this around, and you want to twist it to the smaller circle here. And then depending on what they're wanting to target, you will dedicate which serum you will use. You click standard mode, working intensity up to 6, and then you click play. Before attaching this onto the person's skin, you want to pop it on your palm first and wait for water to come to the surface. To see how water's come through, that's when you know this will start working on the client's skin. Once you have done all your passes on your client's face, you want to take off this nozzle, put it aside, and then you want to grab a white nozzle that doesn't have any holes on it, attach it, and then you're going to click the cleaning serum. Click play, and then this will clean out this device. So it takes about 13 seconds, and then you turn this one off, and then we'll proceed to the next step. The next step in our Aqua Oxy Hydrofacial is the Vibration Super Infusion. Now, this device is going to help when you apply serums onto the face to really infuse more deeply into the skin. So it's this attachment here, and you want to put the working intensity up to say 6, and then it will start vibrating. Grab whatever dedicated serum you want to put on the person's skin, depending on their skin type, and then you will kind of do like a rolling and stamping motion. Now this doesn't hurt, it just feels like a little vibration. So I'll just show you. So it's on. When I pop a little bit of serum on top, see how it vibrates? This will help it infuse into the skin. So this step doesn't hurt. The next attachment is the sonic exfoliation. So this one will help to bring out all the excess sebum, dirt, pores that are in the client's skin. So we like to focus this on the T-zone, on the nose, or in the chin. So it's this device here, and it goes up to a certain temperature. Basically, the best way that this device works is when there's water in it, because that will kind of help scoop everything up. So you want to put the working intensity up to 6 or to whatever you're comfortable. Grab gauze and put a little bit of water on it. Wet the area that you want to treat. Just like that. And then you click play. You're going to hear like a sonic kind of vibration noise from it. That's normal. Never put the tip onto the person's skin, just the sides of it. And then you're going to scrape up like that. They'll feel some sort of heat on it, but nothing that's going to burn them. So it's really important that you keep adding water for the best results. The next step is the hot and cold infusion. So we like to do this at the end of the facial. Basically, the tool itself will either turn very hot or will turn quite cold. So we always like to put it at 0 degrees for it to get nice and cold, and then we glide it onto the skin. You can put some serums onto the skin to kind of help brush it up a bit better. So it's this device here, and then it's already starting to get cold. So this one feels quite nice on the skin. Now we have the hydration cleaning. So this is this device here. It's attached to a bag of saline, and basically what it does is it infuses that saline really into the skin, so it penetrates it at a quite high speed, which I will demonstrate. So it's lots of air, let it come through, wait a little bit, and then saline will start to come through the skin. And then you basically want to do this all around the skin. Yeah. The next one is our high pressure hydration. So very similar to the attachment we just used before. However, with this one, you create your own serum for it. So there's a little attachment here. So then the next step is the high pressure makeup water. So very similar to the last attachment we just used. However, there's an attachment here where you can dedicate and put your own serum onto it. So we just grab it here. You do a little bit of Kobe serum and then more water, and then you just attach it on. And then this will do the same thing. It will infuse into the client's skin. So put a working mode of about 6, click play, and it will do the same thing. And you want to do this all over the face. So see how there's water coming out? That's the serum. Once you have completed your facial, make sure you please clean all of the attachments as well as the nozzle with a toothbrush.